Hello everyone. So welcome back to the good stuff that we've been doing. Here we're going to also try to prove this expression here that sine of 105 plus cosine of 105 is cosine of 45 degree. Obviously, I know you're not thinking of punching your calculator because you're supposed to do this without any calculator. And let's see how this can be achieved. First, like I said, if you want to work on trig identities, you have to be used to simplifying the most complicated parts first. So here you look at sine of 105 and cosine of 105, you try to relate it to 45 degree. Like the way it is going to be done is that 105 is going to be 60 plus 45. Why 105 squared? So 60 plus 45 because we want to get it to be 45. The reason for this choice is because we just see 45 here, so why not? Okay, so here we write this as this equals sine 60 plus 45 degrees plus cosine of 60 degree plus 45 degree. Okay, let's just focus on this part first. Let's just forget the 45 degree. Let's just focus on this left hand part first. Then that would reduce to sine of that sine of a plus b is sine a sine b, sine a cos b plus sine b cos a. So you have a sine of 60 degrees, sine of 60 degree cosine of 45 degrees plus sine of 45 degree cosine of 60 degrees. Okay, now for this other part here, you would have plus cosine a cosine b. So you have cosine of 60 degrees cosine of 45 degrees minus sine of 60 degrees sine of 45 degree. So let's see what we can factor here. Let's factor in the sine 60, right? So you have sine of 60 degrees. So here you have cosine of 45 degrees. And then, okay, wait. So you have cosine 45 degrees. And then here you have sine 45. So that you have minus sine of 45 degree as well. So we factor out the sine 60 in here and the sine 60 in here. Let's factor out the cos 60 here. So if you do that, you will have cosine 60 degrees. Then you have cosine 45 degrees as here plus sine 45 degree. So we've done half of the factoring. What's next now is that we're going to try to notice that sine 60, sine 45 degree and cosine 45 degree are actually equal to each other. So this expression here is equal to 0 because this minus this is 0 times whatever what this is 0. So we don't need that one there. So here over here now we have, since sine 45 and cosine 45 are equal to each other, this will be like cosine 45 cosine 45. So you have two cosine 45. So here you have cosine 60 degree cosine of 60 degrees multiplied by 2 cosine of 45 degrees. Now one last straw is that cosine 60 is equals to half. So this is going to be equals to a half multiplied by 2 cosine of 45 degree. And this is basically equals to 45. No, sorry, not 45 degree, but actually cosine of 45 degree, which is what they asked us to prove. So like I tell you, if you want to go make real progress in trigonometry identities, you have to start from the complicated part first. So thank you for watching and please do subscribe to the channel.